How to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others step by step. I'm signed into the Zoom desktop app and I'm on the Home tab. Click the Schedule button up top, the one with the calendar icon. That opens the Schedule meeting window and the cursor is already in the topic field. Type a name your guests will recognize straight away. I'll type Client Onboarding Call. Keep it specific. That topic becomes the subject line when you paste the invitation, so the client sees it before they even open the email. Next, click the date field and choose the 23rd. Then set the start time to 3:30 p.m. For duration, I'll pick 45 minutes, because the 30-minute default tends to cut off just as people get into the actual questions. I'm leaving the time zone alone because it matches my system clock. Now down to security. Click the passcode checkbox. Zoom fills in a 6-digit passcode automatically. Leave that alone because the passcode gets embedded inside the invite link, so your guests won't need to enter it separately. Leave waiting room off for this one. If this were an interview or a sales call, I'd turn it on, but for a simple client call, the passcode is enough and people join faster. And if you leave both off, there's no gate on the door. Anyone with the meeting ID can get in. Click Save. The window closes, Zoom adds the meeting to your calendar, and you're back on the Home tab. Move over to the Meetings tab on the left. You'll see the event sitting at the top of Upcoming. Click it once to select it. On the right, click Copy Invitation. Zoom copies the whole block. The join link, meeting ID, passcode, dial-in numbers, and the date land on your clipboard. You'll get a notification that it's been copied. Now switch over to your email, open a new message, paste in the invitation. The full invitation text lands in the body with the join link right at the top. Add your recipient in the To field. The blue link is what they'll click, and the passcode is already included inside it, so they won't need anything else. Hit send, and that's the invite out. If the time changes later, go back to Zoom and click the Meetings tab, select the event, then click Edit. The same schedule window opens. Change the time, click Save. The join link stays the same, so anyone who already has it can still get in. Just let them know about the time change. If this is a weekly call, click Schedule again. Tick Recurring, choose Weekly, and every occurrence reuses the same join link and passcode. And if you only want the join link without the full invitation, paste the copied block into a plain note. Then copy just the first join link line from there. If this got your invite out, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.